Hello lovelies, and welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, welcome. My channel is all about a love for makeup and a love for learning makeup. If you are interested in makeup and you really want to get into it, but maybe you haven't had a chance before, or you've been nervous that you just aren't sure exactly how to apply makeup or how to apply your eyeshadow or the right tools to use, that really is the heart and the embodiment of Make Up the Rules. Because with makeup, honestly, that title is a little funny because with makeup, there are no rules. It is such a subjective area of content. It is something that anyone can do, and you can do it and express your creativity in a way that's going to create something beautiful no matter what you do. And that's really what I want my channel to be all about, is just trying new things, expressing our creativity, and really just having fun. So that really is the embodiment of that title, Make Up the Rules with Melanie. That's what we're here to do, and that's really the heart of what I want to share with you here on my channel. Until next time, let's be kind to each other, beautiful to ourselves, and never afraid to make up the rules.